Afsana Sheikh, Role 97, Phases of Language Development.
ঠিক আছে, বলো, শুরু করো।
হ্যাঁ স্যার, ব্যাক
ঠিক আছে।
What is language? What is language? Main ingredient of human civilization, medium of expressing thoughts, medium of fulfilling societal need of human being. To express thoughts, language is the best medium. To express his thoughts, human being need a medium, and this is language. We human beings are societal animal, and there is an essentiality to communicate with another human being. To fulfilling our societal need, we have to communicate with another, and we communicate through language. Without language, we don't even think ourselves. Next is definition of language. According to J.W. Santrop, a professor of psychology, language is a form of communication, whether spoken, written or signed, that is based on a system of symbols. Actually, language is a form of communication. Language is a mode of communication. According to him, language is based on a method of symbol. Next is, what is language development? Language development is a process starting early in human life. Children's language development moves from simple to complex. After birth, development of language starts. As a child grows, his or her language development become complex to more complex. First, it is simple, and then became complex and to more complex. Next is different phases of language development. According to Wood, there are 6 phases of language development. Number 1 is the pre-linguistic stage. Number 2 is the hollow phrase or one-word sentence. Number 3, telegraphic period or the 2-word sentence. Number 4, complex period or multiple word sentence. Number 5 is more complex grammatical structure, and the last one is adult-like language structure. Next one is language development. Through a pyramid, language development has been shown here. At the very onset of language development, a child faces his or her pre-linguistic stage. Second phase is hollow phase, which starts within 6 to 18 months. The third stage, which is telegraphic period, starts within 18 to 24 months. And the fourth one is complex period or multiple word sentence. 2.5 years old children face this stage. Next is more complex grammatical structure period, which falls under 3 to 5 years. The final one is adult-like language structure. A 5 or 6-year-old child encounters this developmental stage. Next is pre-linguistic stage. 0 to 6 months. As I said before, this stage falls between 0 to 6 months. Child in a free speech stage. Pre-linguistic stage means actually free speech stage. In this stage, there is a development of gesture, adequate eye contact, sound repartee between infant and caregiver or mother, father and other family members. In this phase, there are only cooing, babbling, crying, etc. This is actually the very beginning or onset of a child's language development. Next is the hollow phrase or one-word sentence. Reaches this phase between hello.
ঠিক আছে।
This is the stage between 10 to 13 months. A child in this stage can only say one word at a time. One single word at a time. The child actually experiences his or her thoughts through one word. Expression of sentence, actually here the expression of sentence is through one word. Example, dada, mama. The next one is two-word sentence. Now a child can express his or her thoughts through two words. Such two-word sentences may have a noun or a verb or a modifier. Such sentences may be declarative, negative, imperative, or interrogative. Example: doggy big, meaning doggy is big. Where ball means where is ball. Not egg, meaning I don't want any egg. More sugar, I want more sugar. Next one is period of multiple word sentences. Reaches this stage between 2 to 2.5 years. Grammatical morphemes in the form of suffixes. Now a child says a sentence with a subject and a predicate. Example: doggy is big. Where is ball? That is not egg. Actually, we notice that the process of development gradually becomes simple to complex and complex to more complex. The next one is more complex grammatical structure. Hello?
ঠিক আছে
Reaches
বলো।
this phase between 2.5 years. Uses of complex grammatical structure such as take me to the shop, give me a ball. Next one is adult-like language structure. Reaches this level between 5 to 6 years. At this level, there is almost 10,000 words in a child's vocabulary. Concepts like ask, tell, promise become understandable to the man.
হুম,
Example: you promised to help me. Ask him what time it is. My last slide is it is developed. It is difficult to tell how many phases of language development are there in human life. Though I discuss here 6 phases of language development, but it is really very difficult to divide the actual developmental phases, because language development continues throughout life. In every phase, development becomes simple to more complex. As I said repeatedly, language development becomes simple to more complex, simple to complex, and then complex to more complex. Language development is actually an ongoing process. That development never stops. It continues until death. It actually remains in human existence.
ওকে
হয়ে গেছে, থ্যাংক ইউ।
ভেরি গুড ঠিক আছে